Saso sinan upoy sa chip. Ito si Gibions kung sinanga sa chip. Ite o sa seru. Sagot sinan taraha ege sa na sa chip. Oh, burger. Ito level naman. Sige tunga. Hugabahu. Nagabahu. Tabigabahu. Watragahu. Tarapi fils kuns. O sa Steve for quiz. Tarabama, itu.
Like in the Simai South Casino Arogama. Chineva Simai Roma. Ane, 1 year Hava is here. 1 year Hava, I can't pay about no when I create no room, when I could be room. Okay, Marindra Dines is a Ada Quarore. Oh, good.
Bolívar, dan cikin cikin usna, tadi talk about Tibaniram, Mada Segi, Namabias.
I'm a TV producer and I'm a storyteller. And I like to take stories, take music, and tell stories.
I would like to know what drew you to the music industry?
I grew up in a family that talks too much. You know what I mean? Yeah, people that talks too much. And I grew up in a generation where television was not every household had television. You see what I'm saying? So people were dependent on sitting together and telling stories. So I suppose that's where I picked it up. And I suppose music was a soundtrack I was using to the stories I'm telling. So that's where I picked up the curiosity and I fused the two, bring some music, bring a story. Oh, here we go.
There you go.
And if you're a recording artist, that's a different story. That means you are recording an album with X amount of tracks for X amount of reasons, because either you want people to buy the record, you want people to come to your shows, you want people to follow you, you want the return. That's why you're making the record. You're not making the record to not have a return. You know what I mean? That's everybody's expectation when you make stuff. But in my case is I tell stories. So I don't necessarily have to sell my stories. That's why I tell them on social media.
That's important. Bolia ka reke to come kwanza come dance struggle no hamba come dance tamari DST kan ku dira mari DST come dance na mi zaku ala sita last year bulani tin last ka peno discussion dinge handu baje tumu ka na ko ari ko ha inde zaku tin season ta me I ko ku face na duri wa na ma mi taise ka tin na hasi tumi ra ma ko
Normally I'm standing on that side of the camera. Now I'm sitting here. It's a bit of a peculiar space. So I don't know whether I should be loud, I should be shy, I should just be there so everybody can see, oh my God, he's vulnerable. Look at him. So I'm really trying to keep this thing together, man.
Mas kama kubu tuansa Eto ani gutsin gera Ese sorete Ispililite Akame bakan Si tarabama Eto ausas Saso sinan utwaisa Ama se check Si ribios hun sinan ha se check Ikse ousa seru Sago zina taraha Eibe sama se check Oh brother Nia levelige Maza Doba Oh papa senera Bangala tere
Hello, yes. Sit down, Haruguaman. This is a green Haruguaman. Margaret Magar Entry. Nanian Haruguaman. DJ Galmo, Danian Harugu.
It's quite a situation I find myself in right now.
The time
No.
is bringing us exactly 45 minutes past the hour of 1 o'clock.